Hi everybody, this is how to do the stream-side chemical assessment. In your kit, you'll have the kit itself. On the inside, you'll have a SecuDisc sticker and a temperature strip. It'll come with 2 gloves, a small glass vial, a larger plastic tube, and it'll come with tablets for dissolved oxygen and wide-range pH. And it'll have instructions and the key for the pH, dissolved oxygen, and turbidity strip. If you're performing your tests, please make sure to record your data on the provided data sheet, or you can use the QR code which you can scan with your phone. Before you start, please make sure to wear gloves, and if you see any active pollution or sewage, report that to 311 and avoid contact with the water. So we're first going to be recording the temperature. To do that, you're going to take your plastic container and you're going to fill it up with water twice to clean it out. After, you're going to submerge it completely in the water for 30 seconds. And after the 30 seconds, you're going to take it out full of water and cap the lid on it and let it sit for 1 minute. So our water has been sitting here for exactly a minute, so we're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to be looking for the color that's green and teal on the temperature strip. And in this case, it's going to be 22 degrees Celsius. And we're going to take that number and put it on our data sheet. So the next step is going to be recording the turbidity. And to do that, you're going to take your plastic container and fill it up with water until you reach the fill line. About like that. And then you're going to take your key and you're going to compare the SecuDisc color to the key. And whichever color matches most closely on the key, you're going to record that in your data sheet. And in our case, the 40 is the closest. So to measure the dissolved oxygen of your stream, you're going to take the small glass vial and fill it up completely with water. Make sure that you have no bubbles in the vial. And once you have that, you're going to take your dissolved oxygen tablets, looks like this, and you're going to need 2 of them. And you're going to place both into the glass vial and then close the lid. And then you're going to shake until they're almost completely dissolved. And then you're going to wait 5 minutes and you're going to compare that to the key. So our tablets are mostly dissolved into our glass vial. So now we're going to wait 5 minutes before we check for the results. So we just got done waiting the 5 minutes and we're going to take our glass vial and compare it to the dissolved oxygen key. And you can see that ours falls right in between the 4 and the 8, so we're going to record this as a 6 in our data sheet. Leave the water and the tablets inside of the small glass vial and just put it back in your kit, and when you return it, we will dispose of it properly in the office. So the last thing that we have to take today is pH measurements. So grab your large plastic container and you're going to fill it up to the 10 milliliter line, which is almost at the very top. If you overfill it, you can just dump out a little bit. And then take your wide range pH tablet and you're gonna put one of them into the tube. Close it and shake until the tablet is dissolved. So we just dissolved the tablet, and let's go ahead and compare. Using the pH key, we are looking at a 7, which is very neutral on the pH scale. And so take your plastic container with the water still inside and put it back into the kit. Put your dissolved oxygen and wide range pH back in, as well as the instruction sheet, and dispose of your gloves properly in a trash can. And thank you for taking the time to do this chemical assessment.